Let's start with a story. Stories are a wonderful way to begin any adventure, especially when it comes to learning something new. They help us imagine, wonder, and get excited about what's to come. Once upon a time, there was a scientist named Dr. Schrödinger. He was a curious thinker who loved to explore the mysteries of the universe, always searching for new ways to explain the strange things he observed. Dr. Schrödinger wanted to show everyone just how strange and surprising science can be. He believed that sometimes the best way to understand something complicated is to use a story or a fun example. So he came up with a story about a cat in a box, a story that would become one of the most famous thought experiments in science. In his story, he said the cat could be both alive and not alive at the same time, at least until you open the box and take a look inside. This idea sounds impossible, but it was meant to show how strange the world of science can be, especially when we talk about things we can't see directly. This was not a real experiment with an actual cat, but it made people all over the world stop and think. It challenged scientists and students alike to question what they know and to imagine new possibilities. It showed that science isn't always serious or predictable. Sometimes it's weird, interesting, and even a little bit funny. The best discoveries often start with a smile or a laugh. Today, Schrödinger's cat is a famous story in science. It's talked about in classrooms, written about in books, and even joked about in cartoons. It reminds us that science is full of surprises. Most importantly, it teaches us that asking questions is one of the most important things we can do. Every big discovery starts with a simple question, and every scientist was once a curious kid just like you. Sometimes, science is not just about finding answers. It's about being curious, brave, and willing to look inside the box, even if you're not sure what you'll find. That's where the real adventure begins. Science is for everyone who likes to wonder, explore, and ask, what if? Whether you're indoors or outdoors, there's always something new to discover. Many scientists start with a simple question, just like you might. Why do stars shine so brightly in the night sky? How do tiny seeds grow into tall, leafy plants? These questions can lead to amazing discoveries. Asking questions is the very first step to becoming a scientist. It's how you begin your own journey of exploration and learning. You don't need to be a grown-up or wear a lab coat to be a scientist. All you need is curiosity, a sense of wonder, and the courage to ask questions and try new things. So, get ready to join in. We're about to learn why experiments are so important, and how they help us understand the world around us. Let's see together how science shapes our world, inspires our imagination, and helps us all become explorers in our own way. The adventure is just beginning. A science experiment is a special way to learn about the world around us. It's a hands-on activity that lets us explore, discover, and understand how things work. Instead of just reading about science in books, experiments let us see science in action, right before our eyes. Think of it as a fun game with its own set of rules. First, you start by asking a question about something you're curious about. Maybe you wonder why the sky is blue, or how plants grow. Next, you try something out to find the answer. This is called testing. You might mix things together, build something, or watch what happens when you change something. As you do your experiment, you observe closely, measure what you see, and write down everything that happens. Taking notes is important so you can remember what you discovered and share it with others. This process helps you figure out if your ideas or predictions were correct, or if you need to think again. Sometimes experiments show us surprising results. Experiments are important because they help us discover new things about our world. Every big scientific discovery started with a simple experiment and a curious question. Before you begin, you make a guess about what will happen. This guess is called a hypothesis. It's like making a prediction in a game. What do you think the outcome will be? For example, if you think plants need sunlight to grow, you can set up an experiment by placing one plant in the sun and another in the dark. You watch them over time to see what happens. Which plant grows taller or looks healthier? That's how you find out if your hypothesis was right. This simple test is a real science experiment. You don't need a big, fancy laboratory to do experiments. Science can happen anywhere, even at your kitchen table, in your backyard, or in your classroom. Everyday items like cups, spoons, or even food from your kitchen can be used for experiments. All you need is curiosity and a few simple materials. For instance, mixing baking soda and vinegar to make fizzy bubbles is a classic experiment. It shows how two things can react and create something new. Or you can watch how fast ice melts in the sun compared to the shade. This helps you learn about heat and energy. These small tests or experiments help us understand big ideas in science. They make learning exciting and memorable. Scientists use experiments to learn about animals in the wild, to study the weather, and even to explore the stars and planets in space. Every field of science uses experiments to answer questions. Experiments help us turn our questions and wonders into real knowledge. They show us that it's okay to be curious and to try new things, even if we don't always get the answer we expect. That is the magic of science. Every experiment brings us closer to understanding the amazing world we live in. Some experiments have changed life for everyone. Think about Louis Pasteur. He wanted to know why people got sick from milk. He tested heating the milk to kill germs. His experiment worked. Now milk is much safer to drink. This is called pasteurization. Another example is Jane Goodall. She studied chimpanzees in the wild. She watched how they used sticks to find food. Her careful experiments showed that animals can use tools just like people. This changed how we think about animals and their minds. Experiments have also helped protect nature. Rachel Carson studied birds and chemicals called pesticides. She found that these chemicals hurt birds. Her work helped people see why we must care for the environment. Each of these scientists asked big questions. Their experiments helped people, animals, and the earth. Science can make the world safer and more wonderful for all living things. Not every experiment works the first time. In fact, in science, things often don't go as planned. Sometimes experiments fail in unexpected ways, and the results can be messy, confusing, or even a little bit funny. But that's all part of the process. But that is not bad. Failure is not the end. It's actually the beginning of learning something new. When you make a mistake, you get a chance to figure out what went wrong and how you can do better next time. In fact, mistakes can be the best teachers. Every error is an opportunity to discover something you didn't know before. Sometimes you learn more from what doesn't work than from what does. Take Thomas Edison, for example. He tried hundreds of materials before he found the right one for the light bulb. He didn't see his failed attempts as wasted time, but as important steps on the path to success. He said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison's attitude reminds us that every setback is just another step forward. When an experiment goes wrong, scientists do not give up. Instead, they become curious. They want to know why things happened the way they did. They look at what happened. They carefully observe the results, even if they're not what they expected. They ask, why didn't it work? What could be changed? Then, they try again, making adjustments and testing new ideas. Every mistake is a step closer to the answer. Each attempt brings you new information, and that's how discoveries are made. There are also famous stories about experiments that surprised everyone. Sometimes, the biggest breakthroughs happen by accident. In 1928, Alexander Fleming forgot to clean his lab. It seemed like a simple mistake, but it changed the world. When he came back, he found mold growing, and it killed the germs. Fleming realized he had discovered something important. This mistake led to the discovery of penicillin, a medicine that saves millions of lives. One forgotten petri dish became one of the greatest medical discoveries in history. So, do not worry if your experiment does not go as planned. Every scientist, from students to professionals, faces setbacks and surprises. Science is about trying, learning, and never giving up. Remember, every mistake is a chance to grow, and every experiment brings you closer to discovery. Science is not a job for just one person. Many great discoveries happen when people work together. Teams can share ideas, solve problems, and help each other stay safe. Sometimes, scientists need to be brave. They may have to climb mountains, dive into oceans, or work with powerful machines. Marie Curie is a good example. She worked with her husband Pierre to study mysterious rocks called uranium. It was hard work and sometimes dangerous, but together, they made huge discoveries about radiation. Their teamwork changed medicine and science forever. Scientists also need courage to ask tough questions. Some people laughed at Galileo when he said the Earth goes around the sun, but he kept learning and sharing what he found. Today, we know he was right. When you work with friends, you can do amazing things. Teamwork and bravery make science stronger. Science helps us stay healthy. Doctors and nurses use experiments to find new medicines. Vaccines are a good example. Scientists test them many times to make sure they are safe and work well. Because of this, many diseases are now rare or gone. Science also brings us new technology. Think about computers, phones, or electric cars. These did not just appear by magic. Each started with questions, tests, and experiments. People worked together to make life easier and more fun. Our planet needs science too. Scientists study air, water, and animals to keep nature safe. For example, they test new ways to clean rivers or help animals like sea turtles survive. Every experiment brings us closer to a better world. No matter where you look, experiments touch every part of our lives. Science is everywhere. Learning is better when you do it with others. In science, teams work best when everyone listens and shares ideas. If you do an experiment with your friends, talk about what you see, ask questions, write down your results. You might find answers nobody else has. It is important to respect everyone's ideas. Sometimes the quietest person has the best solution. Be patient and help each other. Science is not a race, it is a journey. Remember that teamwork also means sharing the work. Take turns mixing, measuring, and cleaning up. That way, everyone learns and has fun. You can even make your own science club. When you learn together, you build stronger friendships. Working as a team makes science and life better for everyone. Curiosity is the spark that lights the fire of science. Every great scientist started by asking, why? Why does the sky change color? Why do magnets stick? Why does bread rise? These simple questions can lead to amazing discoveries. Do not be afraid to wonder. Try to find answers. If you do not know, look it up or ask someone. Curiosity is not just for scientists. It is for everyone, every day. Sometimes you will find answers that surprise you. Other times, you will find more questions. That is okay. Science is never finished. There are always new things to learn. The more curious you are, the more exciting life becomes. Keep asking, keep looking, and keep learning. Science is not just for people in white coats or fancy labs. You can be a scientist anywhere. Try simple experiments at home or school. Watch how plants grow, mix colors with paint, build a paper rocket and see how far it flies. Every test is a chance to learn. Remember to always be safe. Ask an adult before you start. Wear goggles if you need to. Science should be fun and safe for everyone. The world needs more curious minds. Your ideas can help solve big problems. You can invent, discover, and protect the Earth. All you need is curiosity, courage, and a little teamwork. So go ahead, ask questions, try new things, and never stop exploring. The world is waiting for you.